In today's video, I am going to teach you how to take payments on Constant Contact. To get started, sign into your Constant Contact account. Once you are logged in, head to your events dashboard. This is where you can manage the events you already have or create a new one if you are setting up payments for the first time. From the events dashboard, choose whether you want to create a new event or edit an existing event. If you are building a new event, go through the setup until you reach the event builder. If you are updating an event that is already created, simply open it so you can make changes to the payment settings. Inside the event builder, look for the payments step. This section is where Constant Contact lets you connect a payment processor so you can collect money directly through your event registration. Take a moment to make sure you are in the correct section before moving forward. Next, click Connect next to the payment processor you want to use. Constant Contact typically gives you options such as PayPal or Stripe. Choose the one that works best for your business or organization. If you already use one of these platforms, selecting the same processor can make setup and tracking easier. After clicking Connect, follow the authentication prompts to link your account. This part usually takes you through a secure sign-in and approval process with the payment provider. Just complete the on-screen instructions carefully so Constant Contact can connect to that account properly. Once the account is linked, make sure to enable the processor using the radio button in the payment section. This is important because connecting the account alone does not always make it active for the event. Turning it on confirms which processor you want to use for collecting payments. After that, configure your fee handling settings. Constant Contact gives you the option to either deduct processing fees from your revenue or add those fees to the customer cost. This setting affects how the final payment is handled, so choose the option that fits the way you want to manage event income and transaction costs. When everything looks correct, click Save or Finish to apply the changes. This updates the event so your payment setup is active and ready to use. That covers everything you need to know.